Kawaii Fluff.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed because now we've reached and actually passed 100 subscribers. So thank you so much. I would like to say that I'm so thankful and grateful for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't, make sure you do. So in today's video, I decided why not recreate my first ever video, which is how to make fluffy marshmallow slime. And if you haven't seen that, before we start the video, I would like to give a shout out to Zoe Creates. She has kindly created some fan art for me, so yeah, go check her out. Let's get started making this fluffy marshmallow slime. So first up, I'm going to be adding some white PVA glue. And I'm going to be using some shaving foam. And now we're gonna mix it up. And for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna be coloring the fluffy slime because my fluffy slime that I made in my first video was white. So next up, I'm going to be adding in my Borax activator. And I'm just going to mix that in. And after it's activated, you want to keep kneading it until it's not sticky. This is my slime, and I'm going to be adding some more shaving cream because, I mean, why not? So I added more shaving cream, and I feel like that was kind of necessary because after mixing and kneading the slime, it kind of deflated it, so yeah. So this is my marshmallow slime. It's very fluffy. And in this video, I did not use any lotion because I feel like the lotion actually waters down the fluffy slime, so it's not as fluffy. But yeah, that's that. So that was the end of my video, and tell me in the comments below if I improved on my first video or if I didn't. I mean, if you said I didn't, I'm not that offended because, to be honest, I don't think I improved on anything in general. I hope you liked my video for 100 subscribers, and thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, so I couldn't help it and I colored the slime pink, so now it's a pink marshmallow.